Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient AI trading bot to automate your crypto investments in 2025, I've got a recommendation for you. Let's check out 3Commas, a leading AI trading bot that has been making waves in the cryptocurrency world. 3Commas offers a user-friendly platform that allows you to automate your trading strategies for multiple crypto exchanges. It features smart trading tools like bots that execute trades based on your custom settings. You can configure risk management features, stop loss, take profit, and even set up trailing stop strategies to secure your profits while minimizing losses. Another notable feature is its paper trading option, which allows you to test your strategies without risking real capital. You can backtest your trading strategies to see how they would have performed in the past before going live with actual funds. 3Commas also offers portfolio management tools, so you can keep track of your assets across multiple exchanges and make adjustments in real time. It integrates seamlessly with popular exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and many others, ensuring you can trade easily no matter where your crypto is held. The platform also supports automated signals and trading strategies based on AI driven market analysis, so you don't need to spend hours in front of your computer. And that's it. If you're looking to make crypto trading more hands off with automation, 3Commas is a solid AI trading bot to try out. Let me know if you want more suggestions or need help setting up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.